Guys, Daily on Supercars, we back at it again. We got Soretzi here. Soretzi, you came a little late because I didn't catch you earlier in the morning, but you came with a little bit of a showstopper. Talk to us.
Thank you. We got a 2001 R34 Gtr. We got full front carbon fiber.
I'll be honest.
Z-Tune.
His first plan would have been sick.
Custom paint.
But he decided
done by
to show
KCS Auto. Got to get that.
Can I tell him what it was?
Talk to me about this paint. What color is this paint?
It's a violet. It's like translucent.
Yeah, guys, I'm not sure if you're getting this purple right there. This color.
It's the same color as the headlights.
Drift up to
You said the same color as the headlight?
Yeah, that's what we were aiming for.
That would have been epic. But this is even more epic.
It is the same color, guys. It is the same color. Man, this carbon fiber is doing its job. Let me get that in. Yeah, this carbon fiber is doing its thing. Talk to me about the engine. Anything you have done to it?
The first one was Rich and his wife on the other side.
Nismo timing belt, Nismo cam gears, very full in air intake, arc intercooler.
Right.
We have the Gretty extended oil cooler at the bottom there. Got an oil catch can from Top Secret.
Third place. Victor
Top
Zayas.
Secret hood latches.
Victor.
Koyarad radiator.
Victor, where are you, Victor?
A couple of tasteful bolt-ons.
I know you here.
Yeah, this car doesn't need much, but again.
Full Tommy exhaust.
Okay.
Second
We got
place.
Nismo rotors,
Ryan
Nismo
Campbell.
brake lines, Nismo pads. So that's basically it for this one.
Ryan.
I have another
Ryan or
GTR and
Victor?
she's the
Ryan, here you go, Ryan.
Tommy beast.
There you go.
Okay.
Tommy got with that
We
one.
we gotta meet up for that one then.
Yes,
We gotta meet up for that one. And how were you able to get the car over here to the States?
I don't want to talk about that.
I can imagine it was a hustle. I can imagine it was a hustle, but
But it was worth it. It was
Oh no,
every
definitely,
penny, every cent. It was worth
definitely.
it.
Again,
Yes.
guys, he came in late, but he came in with a banger because I was like, wait, I didn't see this earlier. So it is definitely a thing of beauty. Any plans for the future?
Just keeping it pristine, keeping it clean. Doing the work with Faction Motorsports, and you know, if any more tasteful add-ons with the body, we're gonna head up KCS Auto.
This is you right here, KCS Auto.
Yep.
Gotcha. Anything done to the interior? Just factory as it can be.
Yeah, it's just factory mostly. We just have a DVD player and the Recaro confetti seats, and the OMP racing seatbelts.
Gotcha. It is a beautiful piece. Again, this car is hard to see in the street, especially here in the state. So you got to appreciate it when you guys have it in front of you. Again, the back looks amazing, and you say you
Nismo blade, LED tail lights, and John uppers.
Nice. And this bottom piece is carbon fiber, I see.
Yes. And we got a gold-plated GTR symbol.
Second place.
That's a unique little touch right there. And I saw earlier you did something to that headlight. Talk to me about it. To the fog light in the back.
All the lights in the rear are all LEDs. We upgraded the LEDs. Reverse light, fog light, and signal and tail lights. They're all LEDs.
Let's take a look.
First place. Harold. Harold left too.
It's pretty nice.
Super bright at night.
I can imagine. And again, guys, if you see this at night, I mean, you guys are gonna get confused probably with another car, but no, this is the real deal. This is what it's all about. This is the real deal, guys.
Skyline, third place. Adrian, the gray R33.
Soretzi, we appreciate your time, my brother. Thank you again.
Thank you for having me.
And thank you for the blog, my brother. Yes, sir.